Hello, my name is Temi of Makeup by Temi. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey fam. Okay, so we're gonna start by correcting dark spots on her face by using this orange corrector from EYEBROW. We're gonna be putting it all over the dark spots on her face to cancel that out. Yes, you gotta laugh. Okay, I'm using this small flat brush to spread the corrector. I hope my voice doesn't sound weird because I've been really down and ill. I'm just, trying to get this video out as soon as possible. So now I'm using this foundation. This is the Mary Kay foundation in 500. And I'm going to be applying that all over her face and her neck. I was trying to explain the importance of your foundation matching your neck, not exactly your face. You should match your body. So I'm going to apply the foundation all over her face. Now I'm going to be taking the beauty blender and using this to just push the foundation into her skin and blend every streak from the brush. And this is a damp beauty blender. This beauty blender is from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm using a spoolie to brush up her brows, and I'm going to be using the Davis pencil in 18 to draw a line just by the bottom of the brows. I'll draw another line on the upper part, and I'm going to be cleaning it with GELE concealer. Once I draw the line up, I'm going to fill it in and make feather-like strokes in front of the brows just to make it look real natural.
The beat on the mix.
Ramp on it. Are you that wickedest?
Turn on is beat by Ben.
Walking out the back of your eye. She not let go. She not let go. She not let go. She not let go.
Okay, so now I'm priming her eyes with the same concealer from EYEBROW. I'm using this as my eye primer. And I'm not going to be setting it. I'm just going to put the eyeshadow on the concealer. So I'm taking that brown shade and I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. That is the only transition shade I'm using. So what I'm doing is I'm taking it and applying it right into our crease, and I'm going to be buffing it out. So that's the only shade I'm using. So I'm going heavy on the crease, and I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to buff it all the way out. So I'm just going to continue this process on both eyes until I get a perfect transition. So you have to take your time with this process. You don't have to always use like 3 transition shades. Now I'm going in with this cranberry color from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm placing that all over her eyelid And I'm going to be going back to that brown shade to apply a little bit of that brown shade in the outer corner of the eyes.
I like the way your body put me for Chris. Oh, you come to my other room.
Okay, so I'm taking this NYX roll-on eyeshadow and I'm going to be putting it on the lid just to make the eyes pop more. This eyeshadow is like the bomb. Like it's like slept on. Honestly, slept on. It is the bomb. Anyway, so I'm going to be putting that all over the eyes and going back into the crease to blend everything together. Okay, now using this lashes, Lash by Glam Girl, it's called Seashells. And using my Maybelline Gigi Hadid eyeliner to line her eyes and give her some wings.
The beat on the mix.
Are you that wickedest?
Turn on is beat by Ben.
Walking out the back of your eye. She not let go, she not let go, she not let go, she not let go, me not let go, she not let go, to the early morning. She not let go, she not let go, and I go from so she not let go, she not let go.
Now using this Ulta mascara to brush in her natural lashes into the false lashes. Okay, so back to the face. Concealing her face now, highlighting her face now using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan under the eyes, the chin, above the lip, the nose, the bridge of the nose, and on the forehead. And I'm going to be using the same BH Cosmetics Beauty Blender to blend everything into the skin.
I like the way your body put me for Chris. Oh, you come to my other room. Pandy carnival, my music is viral. I saw the thing sweet like a vanilla. Body swinging, me give them back to back. I ain't gonna say me are the freaky animal. And I just want you to know, say nobody have to know. Nobody have to know. And this out for the people that them feel my sound. Got me a bit tipsy by a man, me a there, so we no give them the bubble at your party when them call me the way I do. Say, give man a rat to yourself. Sugar lover, you went last night, you make me wonder. Drink away, sugar lover. You went last night, you make me wonder.
Okay, so now I'm going to be setting everywhere I applied that concealer, and I'm using my Sacha
The
Buttercup
beat on the mix.
powder to set everywhere I apply the concealer, including her smile lines.
Turn on is
See,
beat by
when
Ben.
we're recording, it's always so much fun. Like, we're always laughing. I don't know. Oof. Okay, so now I'm going to be contouring her skin with Maybelline powder in cacao. If you want to know how to highlight and contour, I have a very detailed video on highlighting and contour. I'm going to link the video in the description box below. Contouring her forehead now. I'm going to be using this Milani powder, a face powder in 108, to dust off the excess setting powder and just powder her entire face. Okay, so now I'm just using this Maybelline Fit Me blush on her cheeks. This blush also has like a shine to it. That's why I like it. And it's not like overly pigmented, like I can control pigment, like I can build it up and whatnot. Just going back with that eyeshadow to just clean the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to be highlighting with this sleek highlighting palette, Cleopatra Kiss. Highlighting her inner corner of the eyes as well, just adding a little glow there. I'm going to be highlighting her cupid's bow. I'm going to be highlighting her nose as well.
The beats are on the mix. Turn on is beat by Ben.
Okay, so now I'm lining a waterline with this black pencil, and I'm also going to be using the same Ultra mascara. It's a voluminous mascara for her lower lashes. Now using this red lipstick from Too Faced, Little Balls.
Me want give you your stand your waist, girl. No time this out when the people then them feel my sound. Come me and me tipsy by a man, me a there so. Me no give them the bubble at your party when them come in the way out. They say make your man out here, say. She nah let go, she nah let go, she nah lie. She nah let go, me nah let go, she nah let go. To the early morning, she nah let go, she nah let go. Girl from so
Okay, so now we're setting the entire skin and face and makeup with classic setting spray. Thank you guys, I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please do not forget to subscribe, please like this video, share and comment. Thank you very much.
My music is viral. I saw the thing sweet like a vanilla. Body swinging, me give them back to back. I ain't gonna say me are the freaky animal. And I just want you to know,
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Ramp on it.